everyone, and welcome to your Ballet Fundamentals Lesson 1. We are starting this lesson at the bar. This is also for ages 6 to 8, but I always want to place our students more so by their skill level versus age. So you can use age as a guideline, but you can also use this lesson for a wide variety of actual ages with your students. So we are starting this facing the bar with 2 hands, so that way we can keep our center and keep everything nice and square, right? And standing up nice and tall. We're in our first position. We have 3 demi-pliés. We're gonna demi for 1, 2, and straighten up 3 and 4, nice and slow. 5, 6, straighten 7, 8. We have 1 more demi-plie here in first position to straighten up 3, 4. We're gonna tendu our right foot, 5, 6 to second position. We have the same thing in second, and we have the same thing in third. And then we're gonna go to the other side, first, second, and third, okay? Here we go. First position, arms are going to be starting down below, and we're going to place these in our preparation. 5, 6, they come onto the bar, 7, 8. Please make sure you're speaking to your students about how to hold the bar. It's really important that we're placing our thumbs on the top like the girls have here. We're not going to be gripping our bar this way, and a lot of times I'll explain why, and some teachers don't realize this or have forgotten it, but we're practicing for partner work as the girls get older in their ballet skills. So your bar is your partner. So if you're dancing, you're doing a pas de deux, you're dancing with a partner, you want to make sure you have a nice soft hand and you're not gripping onto your partner like this, right? So we're placing those hands over the bar. 2, arms are down, 3, 4, preparation, 5, 6, place the hands, 7, we demi-plie, 1, 2, straighten, 3 and 4, demi, 5, 6, straighten, 7, keeping our shoulders over our hips, demi, careful not to lean forward, straighten, tendu that right leg out to the side, roll through the foot into your second, demi, 1, open those knees, Zuri, and stretch for 2, and a demi, tummies in nice and straight, and demi-plie, 2, straighten, 3, 4, tendu, 5, 6, close to third, demi-plie, 1, 2, squeeze the legs together, squeeze inner thighs, and a demi. So teachers, I also like to put my hand right here between and make them squeeze, demi, 2, straighten, tendu that right foot out to the side, back to the first, and left, demi, straighten, nice and slow, and a demi. And also we're making sure we have all 5 toes on the floor, demi, and stretch, tendu left foot, because we're going to the other side, into second, and demi, 1, 2, I was just about to fix that, keep that nice and straight, and a demi, always knees pushing back, straighten, 1 more time, we demi, push knees back, open, tendu left foot, 5, 6, third position to the middle of our foot, 1, 2, squeeze inner thighs, squeeze your glutes, and a demi. So the reason we're working in third, it's a little bit easier to work those turnout muscles before you get your students to that 5th position. Tendu, 5, 6, back to first, and we'll finish.